Good morning, family. Happy Friday. Yo, we made it to the end of the week. How we feeling? How we doing, family? We made it to the end of the week. 1 second while I just get this shared out. Get this sent over to the boys. You know what I'm saying? Just get ourselves in a situation to win today. Let's have a great day, brother. I needed that energy work. Let's go, King. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Let's go ahead and get our group made here. We only need to make $1,000 today. Holy shit. Market is getting excited, though. What is going on? What's going on here? Hold on, I gotta get my thing ready here. Manage groups. Tradeify 50k's. Save that. Let's get these in here. 3, 4, 5. Save that. Hit OK. Get onto the group here. 50 phase. Okay. I'm looking for longs, family. Don't think we can fade this strength. We only need 50. We only need 50 points today. Good morning, Matrix and Jay. Good morning, Kings. Let's go. How we feeling? How we doing? Happy Friday. Market is ripping, guys. Holy shit. I was trying to get in with it, but don't want to be too crazy. Remember how I said yesterday shorts were going to win the day? Yeah, and they did. I just had to get top ticked first. You guys remember that? That beautiful moment? No, like, do you guys remember that? I think I was hopping longs here. Good morning, Joel. Welcome in, King. GPT, good morning, King. Happy to have y'all in. Happy Friday. Hope we're feeling ecstatic to start the end of the week. Keep those vibes correct. Amin, good morning, King. 25,800 the NASDAQ. I'm going to quickly get an hourly view of our chart here. I'm bullish till the 828s. I'm bullish till the 828s. I want to find a spot to get in with this price. I want to get in with this momentum here, guys. I'm going to go buy 5 limit at the 736s right now. Not sure if we'll get a fill down there. Even safer would be, or even more ideal would be up and around these 722s. See if we can get a fill. Looking for the longs to find some continuation already. Trying to get in one early here. Good morning, Maxi. I'm out right now. Wood short from now on. Oh, took that nice long. I'm out. Maxi, I love it. Yo, let me know, King. Is Monday gonna be good for you? Good morning, happy Friday. Let's get this money. Love the energy, Diego. Let's get this money, King. Happy Friday. Like. So saucy. Good morning, King. I am interested in longs at the moment, but we'll see. That was a very nice long move, but I don't know. You think that's the end of it there? I can't imagine that's the end of it, Maxi. We'll see, though. Yeah, it would be good, bro. Let me know if that works for you. Yeah, Monday's good for me, King. Today, it really would have been nice. I was behind. I even was late to stream. I was gonna be late to stream, but I had to hold off on another thing. But yeah, let's plan for Monday, King, and then everybody else can anticipate that as well. So, you got the Tradeify accounts? Yes, sir, Joel. I bought the 5 Tradeify accounts for the daily payouts, but I only need to make $1,000 today. So it's gonna be 1,000, and 500. 3-day passing. So that's one thing about these accounts. I guess I wouldn't even need 1,000. I could just do the 500 today, but right now I'm looking to see if we can get some rotation. I'm taking the first pullback with the EMA, guys. So the first contact point we get with the EMA is where I'm trying to find an entry right now. Right now that's in around the 733s. But yeah, Monday, guys, we're gonna have a stream, community stream again. Maxi's gonna be on. Couldn't do it today, but Monday. Did we hit 800? Yes, sir. Not yet, Amin. Not yet. We're at 772 is the top of this range right now. I want to see the 800s break, though, so that could be interesting. Good morning, Matt Max. Welcome in, King. Let's get it, brother. Happy Friday. Let's hit the like button, guys. Yo, come on. I love it, Joel. Appreciate you, King. Let's start the energy strong to end the week, family. We have 19 people in here. We've been trying to get to 20 each day, and it's been a struggle. If every person watching right now can show some love and hit that button, get us to 19 early, it would literally mean so much. Past 5 lucid, so I think I will trade those Monday stream. Let's go. Yes, sir, Maxi. Trade those, King. I like to see that. All right, family, I am looking for the first pullback into the EMA to take a long attempt off this volume. Currently, my order's in at the 33s. See if we can get a fill here. Let's see if we can get a fill at the 33s. Looking for the first EMA interaction and then trying to find some continuation. I'm going to front run EMA a little bit because it's going to keep adjusting. So now I'm at the 37s. Maybe a little too much. Let's go to like the 35s right now. Just want to front run the EMA slightly here. Try to get a fill. I like the shorts here. Oh, Maxi. He likes the shorts in here. Really? Even off that volume. But good luck, bro. Appreciate it, King. Well, you guys heard it right there. Maxi, experienced trader. Likes shorts more than longs right now. I feel like we have some liquidity up and around these 800s. I want to see traded though. But we're going to see. I'm not going to take a giant loss on this. Just going to take a fill and see if we can get a reaction. Coming in towards our price at the 40s. We're looking for the 35s. Really impressive buying volume at opening print candle. Opening print price with the 679s, and we closed up at the 742s. Getting an opportunity for a fill now, maybe. Come on, Nazi, what you got for us? You use a 9-iron here. You like that? You like the 9 sauce? I don't know. I was thinking wedge, maybe, but we'll see. Longs on gold looks good, but I'm not trading today. I like it work. Way to share level. Work likes some longs, but he's being patient and disciplined today. It's a full 9. Just swing it hard. Got you. Like that. So this could have been our EMA interaction. You can see EMA is now curling up through our price again here, family. Trying to just front run this bottom. This is the fill I was looking for. Couldn't get it. Turned out to 39s, looks like. We'll see what happens. Hey, let's get it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in, TLR. Happy to have you here, King. Yo, there's already 22 people, guys. Let's just get over 20 likes right away. Just hit the like button. Let's just get over 20 likes. We already have everybody in here that we need for that. Guys, look how close we were to getting our fill order. And that would have been 38s to 88 would be us finishing this. So, gosh. Unlucky. No fill, no love. NASDAQ. I'm going to take off our order now. I don't love it as much. I wanted first EMA interaction. That was the first EMA interaction. Couldn't get a fill there. So now we're going to be patient. If you stay inside of this range and that candle wicks like that, I might take a short risk short. See what happens. I think 800s could trade, but 821s are obviously acting a little bit of resistance. I'm going to try a short here.
Order filled.
I'm in a short here. Stops are going to be above the high day. I like that we wicked back in. So now I'm just going to look for a little rotation here. See if we can try out this EMA one more time. Longs are in control today, though. So just keep that in mind. Just looking for a little reaction here. Want to see us try out this EMA one more time. Put a break even on. So what we're looking at right now. See if we can find some love. We're in these new Tradeify accounts, so we don't need as much. We'll need $1,000 today. That's all we can look for. Let's see what happens. I like that we pushed back inside of the range there. Found a doji. If we can try out this EMA, I'm going to put our break even on. There's the EMA out. Break even's going to come on now. Let's see if we can get this thing to break for us. I don't fully anticipate that it will, but we'll just look for it. 65s, we would need into the 15s. So this would be our full take profit by 5 limit. If we get a rotation to the 715, that's our full TP. We'll see what happens here. Through the EMA is decent. See if we can find some continuation. Nice little move here. Don't want to see a wick at the EMA, though. Want to see if we can keep finding this printing. 100-point stop, 300-point TP. I'm shorting this 5 micros on my live account. Let's go, Maxi. Way to call it out, too. I took the short with you, King. If you smash the like button, you're on Santa's nice list this year. Well, that's an easy one. Let's hit that list, boys. Kings, queens of all sides. Let's hit that like button and get on Santa's good side today. If we get to the 15s, this will be the $1,000 we need. We can only pass these in 3 trade, or we have to do it 3 days, so we'll see what happens. Good luck, Maxi. I like it. Prop Shop Trader has a nice promo going. 325K evals and only pay activation fee if passing. $35 per account, max 3 accounts per person. Kind of crazy.
Order filled.
Kind of crazy, Shiro. That actually kind of sounds nice. W Shiro. Appreciate the insight, King. Pro Shop Trader, huh? 325K evals, only pay activation fee if passing. 35 per account, max 3 accounts. Yo, we got our fill there. What a nice, beautiful little exit down at those 50s. We got our 1,000 points per account now. Come on, family. Yo, I'm really excited about these Tradeify accounts because you can take out $1,000 a day if you hit it. Oh, I got to take out this other order we have for our break even. Close, close, close. Close, close, close. Now we're done for the day. Appreciate it, Diego. Great energy, King. Joel, same thing. Maxi, wee. Let's go, May. WD already. I love it. Work. Good energy, King. Let's go. We got what we needed, boys. So with this Tradeify accounts, I'm just going to pull it up for you guys. You can only trade. Here, I'll just go to add account to show you what I'm talking about here. It's a 3-day pass. So it says right here, funding in 3 days. You have to have a 40% consistency rule of the 25 target. So we already have 1,000. We need to make another 1,000 either Monday or so, and then another 500. So it's a way to do that. You're only at four minis, and then once we get funded, there's no activation fee, and then we're going to be allowed to get these daily payouts. Daily payouts of 1,000. Come on. So that's what we're looking for here, family. That's what we're trying for. That's what we're aiming at. Now we chill, grab it or wax, brother. Yeah, now we just chill. Go wax this morning, King. It's a Friday. Up 90 points, 3 minutes. Let's go, Maxi. It's too easy, King. Back to 5 XFAs. Only trade 1 to 3 micros max. That's what you want. Is that what you're telling me to do, Matrix? Or is that what you think you're going to do? Excuse me. Beautiful rotation here off the top, though. Really was. This was the reason we took the short. Volume came in. We held the EMA. Tried to press through with volume again. Swept the top of this range. Immediately closed weak. The second candle couldn't push through. This is where we took our short. And then from there, we just got lucky, got paid. That's me. I like that. 1 to 3 micros is a good strategy. Just be consistent with it. I'm going to let this trade play out. No break even. No break even. At least let your break even be on, King, and let the profits ride. Go look at the gold. Go see how nice it's moving since I said longs, but not trading today. Just chill vibes today. I like that a lot. Yo, can somebody help me for real? Now that we have time, we don't got to worry about trading for the next couple moments. Why the fuck is this my gold chart? Why is this my gold chart? And why is it so ugly? Is there a new gold? Okay, so it's G6. Okay, taking this one out then. Get rid of that. Let's put this in here. This is gold, right? Yeah, that long would have been nice work. I'm heading out. See you guys on Monday. You're already out of here, Maxi. WU, appreciate you for being here, King. We are going to be having Max on stream Monday, so appreciate you for stopping in, King. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Taking off. Got an internal interview in a couple hours. Best of luck to all. Oh, let's go, King. Crush that, Diego. Good luck, King. Appreciate you for being here. Spend the rest of your weekend in the best energy. See you Monday, King. Spend the weekend in the highest of energies. Somebody give somebody love a hug. Choking on words over here. I'm choking on words over here. You know how weird it is only looking for $1,000, guys? Super weird. And I will say, though, I'm getting far more comfortable with Tradeify. I'm starting to like Tradeify a little bit more here. think the shorts are just going to be in, guys. I think shorts are just kind of stepping in right now. I'd be willing to see if we can stay below this EMA. Opening print candle, we already flashed below, so our 15-minute range is getting interesting. I'm going to go ahead and draw our box up, just get an idea of what we're looking at here. Here's our first 15-minute range. Interesting, interesting. Interesting little range, huh? 10-minute news. So anyone trading. 15 minutes till 10 a.m. news. What is that exactly work? Why 1K profit only? I wish Tradeify had price on TP and stop loss like Project X. I know. It is nice to see the price. But it's okay. We take a little bit of sacrifice there, Joel, for good value. Matrix looking for 1,000 because we're trading these new Tradeify accounts. So these are the Tradeify accounts where you can take a daily payout out of. Here, I'll show you one more time here. You can take a daily payout of these. I have 5 of these. What is this Grand Cup? Anyways, we have 5 of these accounts. You say funding in 3 days. Our goal is 2,500, but you can only do it with 40%. So you have to make 1,000, make 1,000, and then make 500. So that's kind of what we're doing. We're going for 1,000, 1,500 in 3 different days of trading. Not ideal, but it is their daily payout. So there's no activation fee. And then you can take a daily payout of $1,000. So fairly attractive overall, but that's what we're looking at. Coop, good morning, King. Appreciate you so much for stopping in, man. Happy Friday. Hope you're doing great this week. Hope the weekend's also going to be stellar for you. Red week folder, that don't really think nothing will happen, but just saying in case BS comes. Appreciate it, work. There is a folder news in 14 minutes. It's going to be weird, guys. We're already done trading for the day. What kind of trouble can we get into? I guess I should probably try to trade some other accounts, maybe? I don't know. I haven't really bought anything else yet, so. Do you have a code for Tradeify yet? Robbie! I don't think so, King. I think I did apply, but I don't think they gave it to me. Let me look real quick. If they did, it's going to be TFF, but if not, King, then you can use their select, the code select. Here, I'll type it in for you. Try this. Try TFF, Trading for Freedom. And then if that doesn't work, brother, try select. Those are the 2 that will give you the cheapest right now. If they did approve me, I'm not sure yet. But those will give you the cheapest deals for these Tradeify accounts. It is a single day pass, guys, so it's super attractive. Or not a single day pass. It's a 3-day pass, but you only have to make $1,000, $1,000, and then $500, and then you get paid daily. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, I don't think I got approved. At least I'm not getting an email yet, so. Probably try select out, Robbie, but you can try TFF first. We'll see. Yo, I know I've been asking, guys, but our goal has been 20 likes every stream. We've been getting there, but it's been a real battle. We already got 17 people watching. I know we flooded past our 20. Could y'all show some love? Hit the like button if you watch this stream frequently at all. It's the easiest way to show some support. And in a way, you guys are just a part of the journey here of us getting better and building this community bigger. So it means a lot, truly. NASDAQ did base back above the EMA here. We pushed through the bottom of the opening print candle, held this bottom, pushed up through the EMA. Now we're kind of going sideways in the range. We'll see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what type of trouble we can get ourselves into here. It is a Friday, guys, so vibes are just going to be a little bit more chill in terms of the market. We have a decent range. I mean, opening print candle was 677s. So about 100 points. Not too bad. Fairly average, though, still. Whoa. Whoa. Did Ty get the free account? I meant if you get the free account yesterday. Oh, the gold is moving lovely price right now. Let's go work. The free reset, is that what you're asking about, Joel? The free reset on the Tradeify, on the I do think I have it. Let me look for y'all. Let me try to see if I can find our free reset with Lucid, because they said if you buy 5 you get a free one, so should be somewhere in here. Orders, subscriptions, account details, dashboard. Maybe it's in dashboard. Yeah, so I just looked here, guys, on the Lucid here. These are the 5 accounts that we had that we were 1 tick away from passing. God, literally a tick from passing these accounts. But now I have to reset them. And then it says right here, reward, 1 free reset applied, all credits used. Oh, all credits used. Oh, yeah, right here, total $0. So if I want to reset this, it's $0. Nice. So they're true with their word there. Man, how unfortunate it was. A tick away. I didn't want to look at those again. We were 1 tick away from getting paid and couldn't get there. Peep that gold. Is she running on us, word? Is that what's happening? Oh! Oh! Man said the long, and the longs are in. You were talking long in around here too. Yep, that was crazy yesterday. Sorry, bro. It's all right, Joel. I appreciate it, King. It means a lot. Being a prick for a tick, were we? Sob, it was a pain story. Literally a tick. Not a point. No. 1 tick. 1 tick in the NASDAQ from passing our accounts yesterday. And instead, it hit our price, didn't fill us, went away from us, and then I had to close the order and then looked for another position, got smoked. Even though I said the shorts were going to win the day. And if you watch back at yesterday's price action, holy fuck. What a horror story. This is where I got stopped out of my final position. So I took my shorts here. I get stopped out of our final position right here before market comes all the way down to take low a day that I was watching to see. Kind of insane. Kind of insane how unlucky we were yesterday. We traded so well. We traded so well yesterday and made no money. And that is trading. But look at the NASDAQ. Held here through the bottom, maintained the 50% of the EMA, pushing back to the top of the range here. See if we can take out high day now and push to the 15-minute range. But we crushed today. Let's go, Joel. Good morning, those subs. Nice trade, man. Same shit, different day. Was down 600 on gold. Got it back with the pre-market shorts. Lucky again. Maybe I will look at the charts and keep my hands off for today. Drop the like. Richner, appreciate it so much, King. Glad to hear that you fought back, brother. Tough starting down on the morning, but hey, maybe you seem to be crushing those pre-market trades. Maybe you should try to focus on those. I said 5 minutes after NYC market open and been up since. Yeah, you were in around here on the 60s, 62s, and now we're crushing. Ooh, excuse me, sorry about that. Yawning y'all's ears. Good morning, King. Lost 11 accounts funded today. Oh. Sorry to hear it, brother, man. Sorry to hear it, King. But you know what it is? That's the cost of being a trader. The cost of fortune, the cost of financial freedom comes at the expense of some turmoil and blown accounts, King. Hop back on the horse. Yo, what's up, King? Put in a trade so far. Joe Goldberg Moggs, what up, King? Yes, sir, we did. We took a short off this top here. Sold here, made our $1,000 per account. We're trading the new Tradeify accounts, so it's a 40% consistency. You can only make 1,000, and then 500. So we made our daily 1,000. Tomorrow, make another 1,000. See what happens. I spammed a W for you, King, just for the, just the encouragement. It's a privilege to be able to even blow a funded, King. You know what I mean? It's a privilege to have the opportunity to trade and lose some money. So. Proud of you. Having 11 funded is no joke. You got to be proud of yourself for even getting there. Now you come back and do it all over again. I traded London golds, but we'll definitely switch to my markets. I like that, Richner. Got no coffee. Got no C4s. Found a random 5-hour energy stuffed in the laundry closet. Life of a papa right there, Sobs. I'm glad you have some type of caffeination to keep you grinding, King. W, Joel. Appreciate it, King. Sorry you missed this one. Hope you can grab a nice position today. Facts, bro. You know what it is, Mo. Love your energy, King. Good morning. Made 4.5K on my 50K one trade. Lorraine, W Queen. Let's go. 4.5 big ones on the 150K. So stellar. Great trading, Queen. TP hit 800. I'm done for the day, King. Let's go, Matrix. Targeting the 8s and he gets the fill. I love it. Whole chat's eating today. Happy vibes on a Friday. Stellar market. Right now, pretty simple movement. Straight up, straight down, straight back up. Good morning, Pobby. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here. Hope your Friday's going well. Hope your Friday's going great. I feel naked with no accounts, bro. Mo, load up on the Lucid accounts while they still have the deal going on, King. Today's the last day. So they said they're going to keep them going for the 5th. Today is the last day. So I'd load up on those, brother. Get your 25 Lucid accounts. Also, Tradeify. Try out these Tradeify accounts, man. Same day payouts. Try these out. Kind of interesting. Or you can try out the MFFs. Those are kind of nice too. But right here, brother. It's the last day that they're running these. 40% off all the Flex accounts. And, yeah, it was going to be through the 3rd that we're going to end these yesterday, or a couple days ago. But they kept it going for 48 more hours. Today's the last day you can buy them. I'm going to load up on some myself. You know what it is, Mo. You know what it is, King. Sorry that you did have the moment, though. You know, it's just another one for all of us. W, Lorraine. It's Lorraine. I got 9 million. Let's go. A little 9 milli lit pilly in the top bunk. Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. Hope your Friday's going stellar. You already know, Saucy just threw in an upper-decky. And got a free MFFU reset. This week is ending well. Love to hear it, Lorraine. Let's go, Queen. Way to end the week stellar. You know what I mean? We start it. Okay, that's fine. But how do we end it? How do we pick ourselves up after we go through some moments? NASDAQ pushed up to the 800s. Testing back into the top of the 15-minute range and the EMA. See what happens here. Good thing I got the 1,000 by 5 for my Lucid yesterday. Hey, good thing, huh, King? Getting paid. NASDAQ up into the 800s, testing the top of the 15-minute range. We're already up the $1,000 that we need, so we're going to be patient. But, yeah, family, there's 30 people watching. If y'all haven't shown some love to the like button yet, let's get some likes. We're trying to get over to 20, our goal for the day. That means that only 2 out of every 3 of you need to hit the button. Just stopped in to see how you were all doing. I'm done for the year. I'll be back in January. Done for the year. Wow, newbie. Enjoy the time off, Queen. Hope you spend some time with your wife. Enjoy your freedom, your luxury. You're trading for freedom at the end of the day. So really glad you could flex that enjoyment and appreciate you for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Stop in more often, even if you're not trading for the month. Just say hi, see how we're doing. Really glad to hear that you're doing well, though, Queen. Enjoy the end of the year and some positivity. Christmas vibes, New Year vibes. Come back New Year with a new mindset. If I was one day away, I would have did something bad today. Nah, Mo, no worries, King. You mentioned Tradeify having same-day payout. Yeah, Lorraine, that's what I'm using right now, Queen. So I'll pull this up for you guys to show you. Right now, I'm trading these new Tradeify accounts. They just dropped this plan. It's funding in 3 days, so it's kind of different than the other competition, but it offers daily payouts. So 3-day fundings, it's a 2,500, which I like because it's 500 cheaper than anywhere else. But you can only do 40%, so you have to make 1,000, and then make 500. But once you do that, there's no activation fee to get your accounts. And then once you have your accounts, check this out, daily payouts of $1,000. So right here, 5 days for 3,000. This makes 40% more because in 5 days you can make 5,000. So really attractive accounts overall. That's what we're running with right now. We'll see how it goes. I'll stop by to drop a like a queen she is. Means a lot, newbie. So happy for you. All right, King. Enjoy your weekend. Back to sleep. Get that rest, brother. You enjoy your weekend too, King. Monday we ride, bro. You need big buffer first? No, that's a big disadvantage. It's a $2,500 buffer. I don't think that's that big of a disadvantage, Mo. Personally, but that's just me. So at $3,500 in the account, you get to get $5,000 in your bank account. It's pretty fucking good. At $3,500 in the account, you get to put $3,500 in the bank, or $5,000 in the bank account. Those look pretty good. I'm gonna try them next year. Yeah, I like them a lot, newbie. I'm hoping to see how they work. Try to get a payout with them. I like a daily payout. It's 40% more. Like you can literally make $5,000 in 5 days, which with a normal account you can only make $3,000 in 5 days. So we'll see. I'm also naked on accounts. I can't justify the current Apex deal. I don't blame you, King. The only way it makes sense is if you were doing a bigger account, like 100K, 150K, 200K maybe, but those are so much harder to pass. So Apex is tricky. Thomas, try Lucid out. I mean, or MFF or Tradeify. Poke around with another prop firm, brother. Take the time to just try out somebody else. Did you like Lucid as well? I did. I like the Lucid Flex accounts a lot, actually. It is a slightly capped payout there, so it's a little bit smaller in terms of like overall money. I think it's like a $1,500 per account, but they're also in talks of increasing those for the Flex accounts for the daily payout. So I like Lucid. I like Lucid right now. I think my top prop firms at this moment so far are MFF, Lucid, and probably Tradeify. Apex is nice. It's just, man, that trailing drawdown is a whole different game. But I still like Apex, obviously. I really have been getting more comfortable with Tradeify too. So Lucid and MFF, best in the business. I agree, Mo. They're pretty fucking great. They raised it to 2K, King. Okay, so right there. So the Flex accounts, I was a little bit like, about a $1,500 max payout, but they just changed it to $2,000. So now you can take out 10K payouts out of the Flex accounts, and they're pretty cheap. Activation, no activation fee, 77 all in. Going to run 40 accounts next year to scale instead of increasing my size. That is, newbie. I'm gonna try to be right there with you, Queen. I want to scale up too. Next year, I'm going to take the rest of the year to just kind of get everything set up, get everything dialed in, and then next year I'm going to attack it with a whole new energy. We're going to attack these markets simple, consistent, strategic. I'm going to be on stream a lot more. We're going to be streaming every night, I'm thinking, reviewing the day's breakdown. So I'm going to hop on stream, review today's trade, the same like the live stream or whatever, review what we did, and then set up some new levels, try to get some plan for the next day. Just take everything a little bit more serious and really make this something where we can invest more into. I think you forgot one, Top Step. True. Sorry, Sobs. Top Step is a fantastic prop firm. Cannot take anything from them. I have a little bit of like a sour taste in my mouth from them just because of the way that they've been going about everything. You know, they've never had any affiliate programs, which I think is weird. They don't offer... Their accounts are very like limited now. They've been more competitive with everyone else. Obviously, the trader focus program is kind of lame. I don't like that they are doing the Project X thing, keeping everybody off. That thing seems weird, but we'll see what happens. Top Step ass. Let's go, Mo. And MFF just can turn daily payout coming out for a good, not a limited time. So there we go. MFF and Lucid, sexy. And Tradeify. Top Step can go wander into the woods. Exactly, Timothy. He knows. They're good. It's just, I don't know. They rub me a wrong way a little bit. No, stop, guys, please. I'm going to pay Top Step shield. Please stop. For real, they are. Top Step still hasn't paid me. They're getting a little fishy. Yikes, newbie. No way, Queen. Definitely getting a little fishy. Weird. I don't think they're the best in the business anymore. I'll say it. They for a while were. They were the pinnacle there, but lately, I don't know. Thomas, you should try out these Tradeify accounts, King, for real. Daily payouts, $1,000, so it's a 3-day pass, which you're not going to love, but you only got to hit $1,000 today, King. Hit 1,000, hit 500. Or try out the Lucid accounts if you want to. One of those two, brother. You should definitely be trading. Or just take the day, actually. You trade a lot, so no worries. Just take the little bit of time off. Start again Monday. Sadly, there's not going to be any newer deals Monday, and the Lucid accounts end today with deals. Tradeify ends today, I think. When does the Tradeify deal end? Does anyone know? For real, crypto, that's weird. I got my payout next day this week. I got my payout next day this week. Was that your first payout at crypto? Last payout from Top Step took them 9 days. Fuck that. My MFF payout reached in less than a minute. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Yeah, I still got my side gig, of course. True. There's other accounts. Got you, King. It's been over a month since I submitted. They said it was because my accounts were on the legacy dashboard. Ew, newbie. A month? L top step. L top step. Good morning, Queen. Danny, welcome in. Happy to have you here. Happy Friday. Hope you're feeling and doing great. No, I haven't had a lot of payouts with them. Yo, family. One-on-one right here, right? There's 30 beautiful people watching. It means the most if y'all could show some love to the like button. We've been struggling to get to our 20 likes, and there's 30 people, so just 2 out of every 3. Yo, Matt. Good morning, King. Right there's my boss. Happy to have you in here, brother. Hope you're doing great today. Happy Friday. A month, though, that's crazy. Yeah, Lorraine, that's unnecessary. A month? Oh, my God. That's just scary. We got to the 20? Yo! The energy today. I appreciate y'all so fucking much. Thank you, guys. Today we're crushing. It means the most. Ending the week on some stellar vibes. We only made the 1,000 that we needed to make today because, again, these Tradeify accounts, guys, I kind of am liking it. You know what I mean? Like, I think right here, Tradeify did some shit with this. Red pill, blue pill, I think is fun. Makes it a little bit interesting, but daily payouts of $1,000 is insane, I think. Yes, 40% is kind of lame. You got to make it over 3 days, but once you're in, no activation fee, and then you can just get paid every day. Kind of sexy. I want other prop firms to be following that. And the only other one that's decent right now, this is ending today. This says valid through 12/3, but it's actually the 5th. They extended it. These Lucid Flex accounts. I'm going to buy 5 more of these. Actually, I might buy these right now, to be honest with you. Buy these right now. Actually, I'll wait till off stream just because I don't want to do that for y'all. But yeah, they get 5 free resets. So if I buy 5, I'm going to get another free reset. I already have 1, so that's kind of nice. And then it's the 40%. So now it's a $2,000 payout out of these. You can make 10 grand every couple days. So, excuse me. Those are the options right now, family. Obviously the Apex deal, but like Tim said, it's really not that attractive. 21 now. Let's go, Queen. Well, I didn't even realize you got the $1,000. Yes, sir, Mo. We took a nice short at the top of the range early. It was a 8-minute trade into the market open. Found a push off of it. Exited for 50 points. Made our 1,000. Brr, it's so cold in the morning. Mad cold in my room. Pavi, I'm sorry to hear it, brother. It's 8 degrees here in Maine, so I can only feel you. It's only 5K. They paid me faster on my max payout request. I definitely don't want to go live with them after this. It's worth still going live, though, Queen. Take the 5K, go live. It's worth having a live account because the opportunity there is still exceptional. But I understand it's a bad taste. Put a bad taste in your mouth. Is TradingView any good? Absolutely, Joe. They're the gold standard for a while of just good charting and trade execution. I don't trade on Tradeify or TradingView. I've never messed with that, but I know a lot of people do and enjoy it. So from what I've seen, it's a favorite. I haven't messed with it myself, but people do enjoy that one. Nasdaq had a beautiful opening print candle, very bullish. We pushed up 100 points in the first couple minutes, sold off to test the bottom of that range, so up 100, down 100, and then ever since then we've just been finding some buyers from the 670s up into the 800 now. Not a lot going on, but decent range. It's a Friday, so make sure you guys are protecting your accounts, giving yourselves the best chance. Best chance to end the week on a good note. Start again Monday on some vibes. Monday, guys, we are going to be having Max back on stream. So we're going to be doing another community stream. He's going to be on here Monday trading his Lucid accounts. He said he passed those, so he's going to be trading those. We're going to be trying to get through with another $1,000, see how that goes, and just treat the day as it is, family. Really, we've just been maintaining this EMA for the most of the morning. Pushed up strong. I was going to try the first touch in the EMA. Glad I didn't now. I couldn't find a fill there. And then took an exit at the top here. Market came in, swept the top of these previous flat price, closed weak, and we took a short at the top for a nice little move. Now the market's back up into the 830s. Overall, if you look at the hourly chart, check this out. We're now starting to come above these big supply zones. So the market keeps holding here. We could be seeing some high pushes. Every single big dip gets bought up like it's nothing. Look at us come down to the 23,000, 24,000s. And then we're right back up, almost touching the 26,000. So NASDAQ printing bullish right now. Printing bullish. Look at this hourly candle. Boom. And now some continuation. Love seeing it. Love seeing it. What would you recommend, bro? Because sometimes when I hit TP on TradingView, it doesn't take profit, LOL. Damn, like it goes through, it flashes through your price and doesn't fill, Joe. If that's the case, King, I would be trading off of that. I'd be trading Tradeify. Trade-of-8's a little clunky. That's what we're trading on now, but I haven't experienced that with fills. So when price respects my price, I at least get a fill. Yesterday, we saw the actual opposite of that. It touched, like my price was here. Price tapped it and then left. I didn't get a fill, but that's about as bad as it gets. Usually you're getting good fills. Obviously Project X fills are pretty good. They used to be I used to really enjoy that, but I don't know. Where the frick do we get in here? No, I know, Saab. It's just going one-sided right now. It's tricky. The limitations are starting over on the 30 days now. They no longer carry over from your XFA, so the payouts are still limited to every 5 days and 5K, but it's already my money. I think I'll just nap. It's already your money, Queen. Yeah, I think it's stupid to change that too. That's another thing I'm telling you. They're just doing things that are just they're just putting bad taste in my mouth. Restarting the payout, restarting your winning days on the accounts instead of letting your combine or your funded account winning days roll over, and now you have to do it all again in the live account and restart. I think that's a very, very, I don't know. I can't see how that's benefiting us at all other than just benefiting them. It's kind of bullshit. Sobs, I think we'd be patient, King. If you're trying to get in this little move, just be patient. I mean, we're going to find another reaction, maybe back to the top of the range or something soon. But if there's nothing attractive, I don't like shorting up to the top. And obviously you can't join at the top. So might just be a waiting moment. No trade morning. Is a top 10 all-time TV character. Love that. Joe Goldberg Moggs. Yeah, he is. But you're just so you want me here, don't you? No, you need me here. That's my best Joe impression there. You want me here, don't you? No, you need me here. No, she doesn't, buddy. Leave her alone. Look at us just slowly inching higher, taking out high a day over and over, each candle pressing a little bit above the other one. Slow price action on a Friday, but it's still delivering fairly clean. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Long from the 30s, we see where she goes. Good luck, Queen. I like this. Right now, she's still pushing up for you. Each candle pressing higher than the others. Here comes the 50s. Here come the 60s, I mean. What are you looking for, Danny? You got to break even on just riding? All-time highs next week? It feels like it, doesn't it, Saab? I mean, if you look at the hourly chart right now, holy shit. We're breaking above a giant support stop. Huge resistance spot. I think the last little spot is going to be, see these two wicks here? These would be my last little curious places at these 880s, pretty much the 900s. If we push through the 900s, yeah, high of week, potentially all-time highs next week or something. Potentially something like that. Right now, this is a very strong amount of buying to push us up into this previous range. So if we take out of the 900s here, I think we could see all-time. We stay inside of that, well, who knows? Right now, though, the last 2 hours have been very strong. You got to break even on and just riding, Queen? What are you looking for, Danny? I like it. Looking for the 88s, 1,500 to pass. Let's go. Let's fucking go, Queen. Good luck. I like that. Let's go push the 900s. Let's go tease the 900s, NASDAQ. Go give Danny her account. Come on. Anybody got any solid plans for the weekend? What y'all looking forward to? Me personally, I'm going to go hang out with a friend, and then I'm going to go see my mama, do some Christmas stuff with her. That's going to be really nice. And then Yeah, not a whole lot. I got to reach out to some editors. I got like 10 or 15 replies to my editing post, and people replied to that. I got to reach out to them. Good trade, Danny. Hopefully it pushes to the moon. Let's go, newbie. Good energy, queen. I want to see it flood those 88s for you. Let's go, May. Good energy, king. W's. It seems logical. We hit the 900s from here. Big round number. We're right there. That's kind of what I'm thinking too, but nothing's guaranteed, Sobs, but that's what I'd be liking too. I think you're pretty safe for your 88 entry. Keep your break even on, and now we just wait and see. Fuck it. Ending the month right here. Fuck it. Ending the month right here. What do you mean, Mo? You done trading for the week or for the month, king? You gonna call it and wait for 2026 to start trading again? What you mean, king? Yeah, I'm done. You take the month off if you want to, man. You've had a good little run the last couple months. So, you've had a good little run the last couple months. Very happy with my performance the last 4 months. Exactly, man. Great energy, king. Great energy, Mo. Got to be proud of yourself. Respect the fact that you came a long way. And at the end of the day, trading is just going to be here for you forever. So, don't need to be a part of it every day. Just be in when you feel you're strongest. I would still, if I was you though, king, if you got some funds and you got the money rolling in, I would still buy some accounts while they're cheap right now. You know what I mean? Those flex accounts really are, they're really affordable at the moment, and they are going to be coming off of discounts. So I'd still load up on some accounts maybe, but up to you, man. If you really want to take the month off, that's also a very viable option. Each candle pushing a little bit higher. Each candle pushing a little bit higher. Taking out the high a day. Christmas deals would be better, I think. I hope so. Maybe Christmas deals. Maybe New Year deals. Maybe we get some more spice. Some spice of life. Because I want to max allocate all at the same time. Why? Do you think that's in your favor? To be trading, 15, 20 at a time instead of scaling in? I think it could be. It's tricky though. It's tricky to know. If you're trying to do everything at the same time, then yeah, right now is probably not the best deal. I mean, you can get some decent Tradeify accounts, some decent Lucid accounts, MFF deals. Then we have there's not a really attractive MFF deal going on right now. So NASDAQ pushing through the 60s, testing out the 70s hopefully soon. 68 we are high there. Yeah, because when more than risk, I will trade less risky. I mean, hey, great awareness to know that about yourself, king. If you know that having more on the table will make you be more precise, then absolutely do what you got to do to give yourself the best chance. I'm honestly trading very aggressive these last 2 weeks. Take the day off. Take the week off. I like that, Mo. I've been trading aggressive too, guys. Since my last payouts, I've been trading more aggressive, but all within reason. You know what I mean? I'm only down like 7 or 8, maybe now or more now. Probably like 8, 9 grand since my last payouts. Which I know to most people is like, oh, but also it's like we're here for hundreds of thousands, here for millions. So 10 grand, what is that? We're here for the big dollars. If we get a new deal, a New Year's deal, I'm gonna try a lot of new props. Different pay schedule sounds good. So daily payouts no matter what. That's kind of what I want to do too, newbie. I'm trying to not marry a single prop firm. I want to just give everybody their own chance and use the advantages. Like when the deals are really nice, take that opportunity to just try other prop firms out and see what you think. You know what I mean? What platform are you trading? I thought you used TopStep. Joe Williams, welcome in, king. Happy to have you here, brother. Right now we're trading on Tradeify. I was trading with Project X on TopStep, but I stopped trading with them. And now I've been trading other prop firms. I don't necessarily think TopStep's the best prop firm anymore. So we've been trying other people out, but to each their own, king. Hope you, if you're still trading with TopStep, good luck. And if you want to try the prop firms, they're there for you. What was your last payout? It was, well, my last month, September, I made 43K in September. My last payout was 25 grand. And then, you know, prop firms should be popping up like pimples. New props every day I wake up. Prop firms. They just be popping up, huh, Sobs? Opportunities. Sorry you got trailed too tight on that entry there, Queen. I was waiting to see that push for you. Let's go, Mo. Did you get the Apex yet? What do you mean, Joe? Oh, you mean buy the Apex accounts? I haven't yet, no. I don't know. I'm deciding. You know what I mean, Joe? I'm deciding. Because it's the same account or same price per account. So I'm trying to decide what account's worth buying. Because right now it's $84 or... Yeah, $84 all in, no matter what account you get. So it's like... Do I just trade the 50k's even though it's not is financially worth it now? Do I trade up into a bigger account even though it's going to be harder to pass? I don't know. What are you thinking, Joel? If you were going to trade, you load up on Apex? You have your accounts? What are you thinking? Glad I got out though, for sure. They're definitely not the best. They were the most reliable, and now they aren't even close anymore. How weird is that? My max month was a 27K October. That's fucking amazing, Mo. Pat yourself on the back, man. Today, gonna today, 300Ks. 300Ks. Good luck, King. I think the 300K is worth it, because if you can get over that, dude, oh my God, if you can get over that trailing drawdown, the payouts are massive. Take my time over the holidays for a payout in January. I love it, Joel. Good luck, King. I'm riding with you, brother. I think the 300K could be worth it, so scary, but man, if you can make it happen, it's gonna be fucking crazy. Code TFF, brother, when you do it, Joel. Trading for freedom, King. Yeah, the 300K in Apex is also a one-day pass, Mo. Yep. I re-entered at the 30s. Danny. Entering like a queen. Great entry. Now let's see this thing push up for you. After FTT, I was paranoid, LOL. What is FTT? The 300... Yes, sir. Will do. Always do. Hey, Joel. Means the most, King. Thank you so much, brother. The support is I can't even tell you how much it means. Danny, what a beautiful long at the 30s again, by the way. See if we can push out the high a day here. I'm praying for you. Yeah, 300K is a one-day pass. Isn't that crazy? It's 20K, isn't it, Joel? 20K buffer. So you have to make $20,000. Or is it 20K with a 7,500 drawdown? Man, if you can get through there, imagine doing it with more than, like, you're going to be almost $1 million in funding if you pass those, man. 900K in funding. It's more than I've ever had. Max allocated I've ever had is 750K in funding with Top Step. I did 5 150s. Man, 900K in funding, though. You're almost $1 million in funding. If she can go now, fly. Come on, fly. What's your TP, Danny? What are you looking for, Queen? Long from 801. I'm break even. Great entry, Jay. Let that thing ride, brother. I'd be looking for the 9s for an exit, maybe. You need a buffer in the funded? Not with Apex. You don't need a buffer in the Apex. You just need to just pass their rules. Excuse me. 8 days, 8 trading days, and 5 need to be $50 a profit. Excuse me. 20K. 20K and you can do it in one day. So sexy. But he's going to take his time with them. And as most should. It's going to be really tricky to get through that drawdown. So don't be looking for 20K, obviously, in a trade. It's not possible. But also, they offer 35 accounts. So, 35 contracts. You can trade like 110. Fast Track Trading, the company that rugged all those traders. That's why I stuck with Top Step so long. They were old, reliable. And then a bunch of came out. It's crazy. No exit. I'm in with 5 micros, so I need a ton, LOL. Just trailing it. I like that, Queen. I need another $1,000. There is a buffer, Silly Goose. Okay. Definitely Silly Goose. What is that buffer then, Thomas? I did not know that. Whatever the provincial was for Combine plus $100. Whatever the provincial was for the combine plus $100, huh? Interesting. That's interesting. Oh, the profit goal was for the combines plus $100. So hold on a minute. Yep, gonna do 100 contracts, quick scalps in and out. So if I was trading at 300K, I can't take a payout until I'm above $20,000. Doesn't really make any sense. So I need to go to the 20s. Love what you did there, Danny. Look, took profits and re-entered the same trade idea. Absolutely, Saab. Absolutely. So 20,000 and $100 buffer. That's fucking crazy. That does sound pretty interesting. There's no way that's what it is. Quick scalps in and out, Joel. You get it, King. Yo. Sorry, not profit goal. Trailing drawdown. There, that makes way more sense. So you can afford. So 7,500 then for the 20Ks or the 200Ks. It's feasible for news days too. That's actually a really good point. If you could get those, if you could time it up to have a nice like 20 accounts. Oh my God, $6 million in funding. You have 2,300Ks and you trade them on news and you just get one big old boner candle to your direction, pass your accounts, and now you have $6 million in funding. Crazy. So for the 300K, you need 7,600, and anything over that, you can withdraw up to 3,500 per account. I like the clarity there. Appreciate it, Thomas. Pretty crazy. Pretty wild. Very feasible, very doable. Yo, there's already 30 people hanging out today, guys. It means the most. We're well over our light goal of 20, but I appreciate you guys sharing your morning with me. It means a lot. Good luck trading if you haven't yet. Protect your accounts. Happy Friday vibes. You feel me? It's just good energy all around. NASDAQ pushing up into the 868s. It's been pretty clean movements. We had a 100-point opening print, couple candles there, and then 100 points right to the bottom side. And then we auctioned back up now into the 868s. I think we're going to probably end up seeing the 900s today, but we'll see what happens. Thanks, Sobs. Was a little scary, but the move is up, so I went for it. Can't be afraid to join that trend. Great trading. When the trend is trending, you just got to join them. I'm out again. Break even there. Whoever did subscribe, close to 1.2K. Let's go, family. I do think we're like 1 or 2 subs away from 1,200. So if there's any beautiful people watching that's not a part of this community yet, and you're being a goofy, and you're here frequently, you know what I mean? Only if you're here frequently. Come join the family. We're 1 sub away. We're 1 sub away from a 1,200. Means more than I can even describe to you guys. Nice trail there, Danny. Danny. Way to take your profits. No need to be risking nothing crazy. Tapping back into the 30s here. Let's see what happens. Good morning, everyone. Beautiful price action today. Drop the like and hit the weights. Great energy, Pat. Good morning, King. Yes, sir. Fantastic price action. Lots of opportunity. 100 points up, 100 points down, and now we're just trailing to the upside. Appreciate you, Pat. Hope you're having a good Friday, King. How was the weight session yesterday for you? Let's bless our family this Christmas, guys, and take our time. Let's end our days green. I love it, Joel. That's what we're trading for, King. Trading for our families. Trading for freedom. We're trading to be the providers for the people we care about, and we have to go through the turmoil. That means slowing it down maybe right now. Doing what we got to do. Tomorrow, or come Monday, make another $1,000. That's it. And then make the $500 that we need to pass these accounts. Build that buffer, and then daily payouts coming our way. Cannot wait. Very excited. See what happens. Yes, sir. Let's go, Joel. I love the energy, King. We're trading for family. Incredible bench session last night. Let's go, Pat. How'd you do, King? What'd you move? I was proud of myself yesterday. So I did my normal 20 minutes of circuit work, pull-ups, push-up, squats, and then I squatted 225 for 10, 275 for 8, 315 for 5, and then I went over to incline bench, and I did 65s for 12. I did 80 for 10, and then I did 90 for 6, I think. I thought I was going to go enjoy a rare lazy day, so my wife's car said, hold my beer, and stopped on the highway. Oh, newbie. Sorry to hear it, Queen. Tough Friday, but hey, lots of reasons to be celebration anyway. Definitely bad luck, but hey, still a vibe day to relax. You know, it's just a little tester there, but you can still find the time to relax. 1.2K. Let's fucking go. Whoever joined that button, I appreciate you guys. Welcome to the family. We're doing this shit every single day. 2026 is going to be our year, guys. I'm talking daily. I'm talking monthly payouts. We're going to pay out every single month next year. That's my goal. One in January, one in February, one in March, all the way through. Doesn't have to be through any specific prop firm. I'm going to trade multiple props. Just looking for a payout a month. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just something simple there. That's great strength, man. We'll definitely get a great workout in. Oh, absolutely, Pat. Always going to have a great workout. Peace, King, and good luck, everyone. Thanks for being here, newbie. Enjoy the rest of your day off. And we'll see you when we see you, Queen. I'm glad you're taking the rest of the year off, too. So, W, newbie. Take it easy, Queen. Happy Fridays. Amen to that, brother. Let's go work. Damn nice. Yeah, I did some good work last night, too. I did 15 pretzel bite curls, 5 chicken finger presses, and 3 sets of pizza slice. Man, that's just soft. How do you even get all that in after a work session? Like, you're not just fatigued? It's just too much, man. How are you even getting that done? Man's a workaholic. Finger presses. Chicken finger presses. All seriousness, I've been slacking on the gym lately. Hey, man, you're a father. You got to find the energy. You got to do it for your family. You want to see her see you at your best, right? She's young right now, so she has some more time, but you want to see her see you at your best. You want to see her see you and look for motivation, look for inspiration. I'm a mechanic now. No more day off. Yeah, you're a mechanic for the next couple of hours for sure, Queen. You got this, Subs. Nah, it's all done at work. That's the problem. Laugh my ass off. No way. You get to munch at work. Yeah, that is a problem. Fuck that. You're a king. You wait for nutritious meals. Kings eat healthy, right? We don't look for the chips and the easy calories. We're kings. We eat the protein, prepped food. If anyone is in the profit, just lock it in. Have a great weekend. Don't want it to turn into a terrible one. Keep the mental healthy for next week. Great energy. Great insight, Max. If y'all are in for the day and you're all profitable, lock it in. I mean, at the end of the day, market's just being a little bit slow. I still think we're going to keep pushing to the 900s, but who knows how we get there or what the day looks like. So preserve the mental capital. End the week on a great note because it is the weekend. And then Monday, keep the vibes rolling. Yep, I start my day with meditation and a cold plunge and then a 10K run, LOL. I wish, LOL. Start my day with meditation and a cold plunge and then a 10K run. I wish. Wait, are you actually doing that or you wish? Mo! Why did you do that, King? Oh, man. Keep your money, bro. I appreciate you so fucking much, Mo. First super chat we've ever had, King. Wow. I wanted to test that button. First time trying it. Mo, you're the man, King. Don't have to do that, man. More than appreciated. Thank you so much, brother. We tested it. We tested it. Now we know. I did sign up for the winter rec basketball starting in January. Should be fun. Winter rec, huh? Little men's league. I like that, Sobs. Definitely good cardio there, King. Looks cool. Mo, appreciate you so fucking much, man. That was insane. Did not expect that and definitely don't even deserve or need that. You're the man, dude. W Mo. Also, W Sobs. Dude, get that health right. So it's a small little effort every day that does it. Let's go. Actually had a 5K run, still working on my routine, tired. Tried it, but the 4:30 a.m. wake up was rough. That is tough, King. I respect the hustle and discipline, though, of building a schedule like that. For me, it's like, so I wake up, I go to work, I come home, and then that's my workout time. Usually about an hour and a half, 2-hour session. And I was running a lot in the summer, but I stopped running. I don't know. I feel like it's a... Mo, what are you doing? Keep your money, King. What are you doing? Stop, bro. Thank you so fucking much, dude. You're gonna make me get all emotional up here. What are you doing? Keep your money. Enjoy your weekend, guys. See you Monday. Locked out for the day. Let's go, Lorraine. Let's go, Lorraine. Enjoy your weekend, Queen. Thanks for being here. Enjoy the weekend with your family. Hug somebody you love. Get some sun. Me and Silk Mud looks goofy. All right, Mo just flexing his payouts. Let's go. Oh, tagging emotional. Yeah, Saab gets it. Nah, just showing love to my brother. It means the most, King. Thank you so much, Mo. Oh, thanks for having us every day, King. Absolutely. Gonna keep doing it. 2026 is gonna be our year. We're gonna, all of us, break out, payouts, consistent, getting better at what we're doing, getting more comfortable with the markets, being the financial provider for our family. That's 2026 for all of us. We got it like that. We got it like that anyway, Sobs. Yes, sir, we do. We're a group of winners here. Do you trade full-time or do you have another job as well? I have a full-time income from trading, but I have a job as well, Joe. Even though I've been pushed from many people to stop doing that, it's tricky. It's like, I like the stability. I like the safety, but I do have another job, Joel, but I do get paid from trading, so I don't know. I'm thinking about going full time into this, into the content, just get more, just how I can post more for you guys. I think would be valuable. I want to share a lot about my psychology tips. I want to share a lot about just the process, I think, of what we are as traders in terms of like the mental aspect. I know obviously it's pretty much all of it, so to be honest, I just want to get the XP. Hey man, you have the most XP, Mo. No one else is on that level, King. Yep, having the stability is a good same. It's good. Same here. What are you doing for work outside of trading, Joel? Because it is just nice. Blew my 150K today, so I took a 6K payout from my other 4 XFAs to start fresh for 2026. GPT. Let's go, baby. Get that money out, King. Pay yourself. I know it's tough losing an XFA, especially the 150. It's big, but hey, man. That's the privilege of having other XFAs, and I'm glad you could take the money out. Start 2026 on a great energy. We still got a couple more weeks, guys. It's not exactly 2026 now. You know, I mean, we still got a few more weeks, but it is feeling like all in all, the vibes are just coming to a close for the year. We got to start being in the reflection period, getting ourselves really set up so we can be laser focused on what we want 2026 to look like. You know what I mean? We want to be as set up so we can give ourselves the best chance for success. And mostly that's just going to be keeping our mind and our expectations in the right spot. I run my own business, advertising. Oh, hell yeah, Joel. That's fucking awesome, dude. I was doing marketing. I was doing marketing for a while. I started my own little business as well. Was doing it for like car detailers and stuff, but just stopped doing it. Who do you advertise for? And you run your own leads on like on Facebook and stuff and get ads for get more clients. Nasdaq still up at the 840s, guys. We're going sideways at the top of the range. What is our rule? Excuse me. We tend to break out the way we break in on consolidation. So right here we have a nice flat price at the 30s, a nice flat top at the 60s. You can auction between those for now, and then if we break out of this, I'm expecting maybe some continuation in the 900s, but we'll see. We'll take a gander. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. '26 is going to be our year, guys. It's also crazy to think about how much more the prop firms are going to get changed, too. Like, what are the props going to do for 2026? They're going to keep getting more competitive. I'm talking like, we're talking like $50 prices. I want to keep seeing everyone get better. For anyone that was long, the sideways actions, my B, I got long. Thomas. Sorry to hear it, King. Thomas entered the charts, so now we're just going to go sideways, possibly down. He's in the long. Yep, it's a good seasonal. KFC, Burger King, and a few other brands. Bro, you do advertising for KFC and Burger King? That's fucking huge, Joel. Congrats, King. Are you serious, Mo? No, dude. You're not serious. Come on, Queen. I hope we get the flush down there, Danny. Did you really just get in a car accident, Mo? Holy shit, brother. Tell me you're not. Tell me you're joking. Fuck, man. Tell me you're kidding. NASDAQ still hanging out these prices. Are you okay? Yeah, Mo, let us know, King. He's going to need that 20 back. For sure, Thomas. Wow, bro. Hope you're good. Hope you're good for sure, Mo. What the fuck, dude? Tragic. No trading and driving. He's on stream. I feel responsible. He's on stream, just reading chat, getting in an accident. Better not be like that. You better be. I'm trolling you guys. No trading and driving. You good, Mud? You good, Mud? Let us know, King. You got us all on a fucking cliff over here. We're all stressed now. Give us an update. Fuck, Mo. Sorry, brother. It's the shittiest end of the Friday. He's going to be like, I'm just trolling with you guys. That's what I'm waiting to read right now. I'm just waiting to pop up. It's going to say Muhammad, and it's going to say, I'm fucking with you. I'm like, oh. Yo, there's 27 people watching, family. It means the most. You're spending your morning with us. Thank you if you're part of this community. It means the most. If you're not, join it. Join this comment section. Get in this conversation. Damn, bro. Hope you're good. Hope you're good for sure. Mo, where you at, King? Where you at? He's obviously dealing with the accident. Probably got to get out, talk to other people about their insurance or whatever. Fuck. There's no way, Mo. Wow. How shitty. Hope he's at least okay. I think he's okay because he at least typed to us. He already told us that he's in the accident, so he's probably just dealing with it. Probably like a fender bump or something. You know what I mean? He's probably okay. He's just dealing with all the things now that you have to follow through with. NASDAQ finding some selling now through these 800s into the 820s. Let's see what happens. I still think overall trend for the day is up right now. The sellers are just take profits are being taken from the Friday push. See what happens there. Try to get a fill short at the 60s. Fuck my life. Gosh. Missed you, huh, Saab? Sorry, King. Good idea for the rotation, though. I've been in advertising for 15 years now, and I work on small projects, but it pays the bills. I invest a set amount every month for trading and investment. Joe, I honestly am I'm so inspiring. Like, that's badass. You're working with big companies, dude. When I was doing it, I was working with tiny little, like, self-employed people, but, man, big companies, that's badass. Yeah, I'm good, guys. I thought the drive through was empty. I drifted into a car, and I hit the other car in front of them. Thought the drive-through was empty. I drifted into a car and hit the other car in front of them. Mo, brother. Sorry to hear it, King. Fuck, dude. That's shitty. Any damage to the vehicles? Or just a little tap? Sorry to hear that, brother. It's not the way you want to have your Friday rolling. McDonald's drive-through. No way. Damn, I looks like you ain't taking the month after all. Glad you're safe, though. Absolutely. Mostly glad you're safe, King. Cars can take damage. You know what I mean? That's what they're there for, but just keep that body healthy, guy. We only get one of those. Praying for your health, King. Happy you're doing well. Whoa, sorry to hear. Hoping it's not serious. Absolutely, Joel. Hope it's not too serious. Little McDonald's fender bender there, touching into people. Mo, what are we doing on our phone in the drive-thru, King? Fuck. Can't be doing that, brother. All seriousness, though, that's super shitty, dude. Sorry to hear it. NASDAQ still finding some selling. I know Danny's catching this momentum. What are you looking for, Queen? Where's your TP at? It's a small dent. Insurance got that shit. Let's go, for sure. Insurance will cover it, but definitely an inconvenience to a Friday. But King energy, King mindset, brother. Let it roll off you. Don't let it affect the rest of your day. I hit one of those yellow drive-through poles once. Drive-through is a dangerous place. It's a tough place because everyone's in there hungry, and we're all just trying to eat and be quick about it, and then people aren't paying attention, and boom. Yeah, look out for those poles. Yo, does anybody know how the payout works for Apex? I'm reading it, but confused as hell. I think so, TLR. What part are you talking about, King, specifically? I think we have enough insight here to give you some tips, but what are you struggling to understand? Like the whole safety net and stuff. Yeah, Timothy actually just explained that for us. So basically, to get a payout, you have to be above the drawdown buffer plus $100. So say you're in a 50K account and you want to make, what account are you trading? So say if you're in a 50K and the profit's at $3,000, you need to have a $3,000 buffer, or no, your drawdowns. You need to have a $2,500 drawdown buffer plus $100. You need to have $2,600 in the account, and then anything over that you can take a payout. And you have 8 days to do it, or you have 8 trading days. And 5 have to be over $50. So I drifted into the turn. Thank God I braked last second. It would have been bad. Super glad you braked, brother. Absolutely. Damn, Mo. Sorry to hear it, King, but glad you're okay. Glad it's a little thing. I'm glad your mindset's pretty positive about it. Just another test for you. Just another test for you, King. Here come the 800s, Danny. Tell me you're catching this momentum to the downside. Sobs, that would have been a beautiful entry if you got filled, King. TLR, did that help at all, brother? So you need the 25, you need 2,600 in the accounts for a PA, and then anything over that you can take a payout. You need $100 over your drawdown for the PA accounts, and then you need 8 days trading, and 5 have to be $50 plus. Apex gives me puffy vibes in the prop firm space. I don't know why. Puffy vibes. What does puffy mean there, King? Short 817. Good luck, Pat. I'd put a break even on fairly quickly there, King. Not that I don't like the trade. It's just we had a big overall trend is up, and we got a big selling already. So I wouldn't be looking for too much more maybe, but we'll see. Like Sean Combs, Diddy, Puff. Oh, puffy vibes. Yeah, they got... You're always killing me, Subs. The 5-minute open high is my target. I like that. Let's see these 776ers trade. Ugh, I keep trailing too tight. Why are you doing that, Queen? Why are you doing that? You had a beautiful entry up there. But it's okay. Protecting profits is never a bad thing, Queen. Never, ever. But start giving yourself a little bit more room. Let your trade play out. You had to break even on, so. You know what I mean? Like not like on the outside they look great, but there's a deep dark side in there. I hope they don't have that. Sobs. I hope Apex is just motherfucking opportunists that are providing a liquidity for us to trade. They get paid when we lose, and we get paid when we win. And I hope it's just a little quid pro quo, shake hands, everyone wins. That's what I'm hoping the prop firm space is. I hope it's just, you know, you need your back scratched. I got some hands. I need my back scratched. You got some hands. Can we be friends? That's what I want the prop face space to be. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I got it. Thanks. I'm up 800 right now. Been trading the PA for 3 days. Just been taking really small, quick scalps. Yeah, I got it. Thanks. I'm up 800 right now. PA for the last 3 days. Just taking really quick scalps. Let's go, TLR. Proud of you, King. It's huge. So, yeah, brother, you got to get over the 2,600. And then you already got 3 days, so you just need a couple more. You need 5 days over $50. So, I don't know where you're at with that, but you're crushing it, King. I love the energy. Keep that momentum. I was short. I cut it and got long and banked. Yeah. Well, ping pong, Joel. I love that, King. Rode it down into the tops there. Got out at the 70s or so. And then rotated back in. Nice trading, Joel. Yeah, that's the way. When I'm in PAs, my goal is to make $600 a day for the 8 days to get the max payout. $600 a day for the 8 days. Do you feel like that's harder, Timothy, than just taking a big hit? Or, like, not a big hit because it's, what is it, 30-40% consistency rule? So taking as big of a hit as you can take and then rotating that? Or do you just think aiming for the 600 a day is easier? Like, I feel like it would be almost decent to just try to maximize it and then just flip the days. But I don't know. But I feel I need to trail tight because of the bullshit up and down. I hear you, Danny. It is bullshitting. So, and you were in counter trend, like you were looking short for a rotation in an overall uptrending day. So I don't mind taking the profits there. I think it's a safe exit. Thanks, King, for sure, Joel. Cow shirt, a little moose polo, little moo shirt. What is that, Saucy? What is that? Yo, there's 27 people watching, family. I appreciate every single one of you for spending the Friday with us. It means the most. If you haven't yet, show some love. And if you're not part of this conversation yet, join this conversation in the community. We're getting better and bigger together, and it means the most to have more insight. I mean, some days I will make more, but if you make 4,600, your biggest day can't be more than 1,380. So 1,380 is the top. I just feel like maybe like 3 days looking for that 1,300. You think 3 days looking for the 1,300 and then running the rest just like base hits is harder than 600 a day? I don't know. It's an interesting conversation. I find in the consolidation you play like the ping pong game for sure. Up and down, baby. A little hit. Bullshit. Danny's typo. I was so close. Damn it, Saucy. Joel with the dab and duck. Let's get it. NASDAQ still finding some selling back at those 840s. Testing out these 800s again here, family. Everybody send Mo some love. Let's hit a W in his charts for Mo. Make sure he's feeling okay. Oh my God, he just hits another one. Gonna get the McDonald's anyways. Fuck the car. Mo, you're the fucking man, dude. Everyone drop a W for Mo. He had a tough morning hitting the running into somebody in the market. Look at the market finding some selling now. Danny, there would have been your full TP queen. You had your break even on. So I'm not trying to say anything to you, Danny. I just want to let you see this moment for a little bit of growth potential. But you were up and around here, right? You had break even on, and now we're delivering to your full TP. It's tough because obviously we don't know, but just another reason. I don't know. I tried to make it look as non-gamified as possible so they don't have a reason to deny the payout. Now that makes a lot of sense, Thomas. I like that answer right there. LOL. WMO for sure. I'm trading heavy side on the I know, but I'm trading heavy size on this combine. Got you, Queen. Yeah, then absolutely protect your accounts. You just need money. All right. I'm dropping another W for the man Mo. Man gave us our first super chat. Did not have to do that, but I'm more giving the W because he crashed his car. It's actually the shittiest way to have a Friday. Everybody else, though, y'all deserve W's too. Joel, you're the man. TLR, thanks for being here. I'm gonna have to try some different prop firms. Does anyone have all these rules? I feel like Apex got hella rules on payout, like the whole 30% consistency. Yeah, TLR, they are one of the most rule-based prop firms, King. So keep that in mind as you will. They are one of the most rule-based, but they trade decent as well. There's other prop firms, you know, MFF, Lucid, Tradeify, who I'm trading with right now. There's a bunch of good ones and everything, so. Apex equals Puff Diddy telling you. 1,500 with 25 micros on that small drop. Let's go, Danny! 1,500. Let's go, Queen. Thank God for everything. Thank God for everything, Mo. Love the energy, King. Literally love your mindset, brother. Keep that shit rolling. Hashtag free Apex. All right, family. Happy Friday. We're going to call it here. Saucy, Sobs, Timothy, Danny, Richner, Mo, Joel, TLR. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Thanks for spending the Friday. Hug somebody you love. Drink some sun. Get some water. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Keep the momentum for Monday. We're going to have Max on stream Monday, so we're going to have a community stream rolling. May, thanks for being here, brother. Sobs, same thing. Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving, Sobs. Max, same thing. And, yeah, we're going to have a community stream Monday, so keep that excited for that. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys Monday. Hell yeah. Drink some sun. Peace.